Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be entitled to for a wrist injury if you've been involved in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. Now, if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Wrist injuries can not only be painful, but may also have an impact on your life, such as being able to type at work or cook at home. And if you sustained a wrist injury due to the negligence of someone else, you may be able to claim compensation. If you're wondering how much compensation do you get for a wrist injury, whether that be for a wrist injury at work compensation or any other type of wrist injury compensation, well, I'll shortly be going over our wrist injury settlement amounts table. But it's important to remember that these figures are just for your injuries only and do not include any other amounts for things like loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred because of your injuries. But now, let's take a look at the personal injury compensation amounts for wrist injuries table.
So in front of us we have the table for wrist injury compensation claim amounts, and in the top category we can see injuries resulting in complete loss of function in the wrist, and you could expect to receive anything between £37,960 all the way up to £47,720. Then for an injury resulting in significant permanent disability, and you could expect to receive anything between £19,530 all the way up to £31,220. Then for less severe injuries where there is still result in some permanent disability, you could expect to receive anything between £10,040 all the way up to £19,530. Then where recovery from fracture or soft tissue injury takes longer but is complete, the award will rarely exceed £8,160. Then an uncomplicated collis fracture, you could expect to receive something in the region of £5,920. Then finally, for a very minor undisplaced or minimally displaced fracture and soft tissue injuries necessitating application of plaster or bandage for a matter of weeks, and a full recovery or virtual recovery within up to 12 months or so, you could expect to receive anything from £2,810 right the way up to £3,790.
I'd like to once again emphasize that these figures are for your injuries only and do not include the compensation for any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you may have incurred as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of just how much compensation you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk. where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.